Good day to all my intelligent online viewers. Today is a great day. Subscribe to this channel today. Strike the bell also so that all the notifications will be seen by you when they come on board. Let's have a short break now. And when we come back, we will continue. Let's move on straight away into test for hydrogen chloride gas. Let's look at what it is. Test for hydrogen chloride gas. How will you test for hydrogen chloride gas? Get a filter paper, soak it with ammonia solution. Place it in the mouth of the test tube containing the gas that you don't know. What will you see? You get to see a dense white film of ammonium chloride that shows the presence of hydrogen chloride gas. You can do this experiment in collaboration with your teacher in your chemistry lab. Let us go on. Test for hydrogen chloride gas again. You can see from here that put a glass rod, dip it into AgNO3 solution into the test tube containing the gas. Just get a glass rod, put it inside AgNO3. Now take the rod, put it inside the unknown solution. There will be a white precipitate of silver chloride which is going to be formed. Now you know that hydrogen chloride gas is present. Look at it. The reaction of HBr and HI with AgNO3 is similar to that of HCl. It's very much similar to that of HCl. So you put that on your mind and you learn it again. Now let's look at it. Test for chloride ion. Chloride ion could be gotten when you get a salt of sodium chloride and you add concentrated hydrogen sulfide followed by manganese oxide, the powder of manganese oxide, and you heat it. There will be effervescence of a greenish yellow gas which turns blue litmus red. Then it darkens it. Now that shows that chloride ion is present. Look at it. Now, after you have performed the first experiment as above, the starch iodide paper is also added to it. You see a blue-black coloration. That confirms the presence of chloride ion. So chloride ion has been tested and you can go through it again, put it down in your notes and read it over and over. Then you get to see that chemistry is very easy and simple and interesting, most especially when it deals with the aspect of the practical. And here we shall be looking at how you can confirm the test for hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide, the confirmatory test, you know, it smells like that of a rotten egg. But how would you know? Is it truly an egg that is smelling or hydrogen sulfide? And that will lead us to lead ethanoate paper. Lead ethanoate paper could also be called potassium iodide. Now, potassium iodide, this one simply means soaking lead ethanoate into a container that contains a filter paper. Soaking lead ethanoate or potassium iodide in filter paper. What the simple meaning is that get a filter paper, get a solution of lead ethanoate, dissolve it, put that filter paper inside, or a solution that contains potassium iodide, put filter paper inside. That becomes lead ethanoate paper or potassium iodide paper. Now, to confirm the presence of hydrogen sulfide, that soaked filter paper of acidified KMNO4 into a solution containing the unknown gas. Now, that filter paper. Just get a filter paper, a soaked filter paper of potassium permanganate. Get a filter paper, put it inside potassium permanganate, and put that thing inside the container that contains the unknown gas. If the color of the potassium permanganate changes from purple to colorless, that confirms the presence of hydrogen sulfide. I think that is well understood. That will confirm the presence of hydrogen sulfide. Now look at this. In place of acidified potassium tetraozomanganate 7 solution, you can also use potassium heptaozodichromate 6. If you use potassium heptaozodichromate 6, the solution will change from either yellow or orange to green. What we are saying is that a solution of K2Cl2O7 either comes in yellow color or in orange color. So when you now soak the filter paper into this solution of K2Cl2O7 and you now dip it inside a container that contains the unknown gas, if the gas is hydrogen sulfide, the color of K2Cl2O7 will turn green. It will change from yellow to green, or it will change from orange to green. Now see the full page here. Note, SO2 gas has no reaction with lead ethanol paper, even on triazonitrate 5 paper. Take note, SO2 gas does not. So you can use this one to distinguish between hydrogen sulfide and sulfur 4 oxide. You can use this to distinguish. So for sulfur 4 oxide, it has no reaction with lead ethanol paper, but for hydrogen sulfide, it does. So please keep watching as you progress.